Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is John, and for today's video I have another unboxing for you. But today it is a Dior unboxing, which is my first ever Dior unboxing. I've never owned any pieces from Dior, but in the beginning of April I did go to the Dior boutique here in Soho, New York City, and I picked up two pieces from their collection. It's actually Kim Jones's first collection, so this video is a little bit late because you probably have seen a lot of these pieces already on Instagram or YouTube, but I did want to share with you guys the things that I picked up and then answer any questions that you guys have around these pieces, because I believe at least one of the pieces are still available. The other one is probably a little bit harder to get, but I wanted to show you guys anyways. Now before I get into the unboxing, I want to put a disclaimer that I do not make these videos to brag about the things that I have. I am by no means a crazy rich Asian. I do work hard for my money. I do have a 9-to-5 job that I do save up and use my money towards luxury purchases such as the things I'm about to show you. So I do want to put that disclaimer there. So I do not intend this video to be bragging in any ways. I do like watching these type of videos myself on YouTube, but I feel like there's not a lot of male YouTubers that do unboxing videos, especially in the luxury field. And so I wanted to kind of fill that gap on YouTube and kind of showcase my love for luxury with you guys here on YouTube. Now enough talking, let's get right into it. Alright, so the first piece that I picked up came in this bag. So Dior changed, I believe, to this new packaging. I really don't know because these are the first pieces that I've gotten from Dior. But it is this blue packaging with the silver writing. The piece that I got came in this box. So it's a really nice sturdy box. I really like their packaging. And in this box is the piece that I've already used, and you actually can see this if you follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my handle here on the screen, as well as show you the picture of me wearing this piece already. But it's something that I wanted to use on my vacation to California. I went to Coachella and I wanted to use this in my time in LA while I was there. So I used this already, but I wanted to share this with you anyways. So the piece that I got came in this black dust bag. So by the size of it and by the dust bag, you might already know what it is. And so what I picked up from Dior is the Dior saddle pouch bag from the men's collection, which is Kim Jones's first collection when he joined Dior. This one is in the navy leather. So it has a lot of the saddle detail. I really wanted the saddle bag as well, but I'm holding out for the fall collection where they have the black oblique print in the saddle design. But I really like this design because it's unique. It does still have the saddle detail, but it's something different. And I'm just really liking a Dior right now and the pieces that Kim Jones is putting out from the men's side. So the bag isn't really big, it doesn't hold a lot. As you can see from the side, the bag isn't that big and you can't really hold a lot. But there are a few compartments, like the first one is at the top in the front. So there is a zipper compartment here, but there isn't a lot of things that you can put in here. It's really pretty tight. So I probably would never really use it unless I wanted to put maybe my subway card in here for easy access. But the main compartment is pretty spacious, even though it's not a big bag. So it just opens with a magnetic opening. And it does come with a shoulder strap here, which is really big and comfortable to wear. So I'll show you how it looks on in a minute. But the bag inside is pretty straightforward. It's just one opening. And so you can't fit that much in it, but I can fit my daily essentials. So my wallet, my phone, a battery pack, a cord, and some gum is really all I need and what I can fit in this bag here. The other thing inside is you do have the little stamp that says Dior made in made in Italy. And it's all stitched with the white stitching. So I really like that contrast of the navy leather with the white stitching around the bag. So I'll show you what it looks on now. I'll do some cutaways, but you do have to take some time to put the strap on because it's not just clips. It actually is this little detail where it kind of goes into this hole and so you do have to, it does take some time to put together. So this is what it looks like with this strap on. So it's a really thick strap and it's really comfortable. I really wear this crossbody, and you can also wear it in the front and also in the back. So I really enjoyed this bag, and so I picked this up at the beginning of April. Alright, the next thing I picked up came in this bigger bag. So I really enjoyed that. They provided the B key bag charm for this bag. It's pretty cool, the details that they have. So the next item is in here. It's a little bit bigger, and what I've picked up comes in this box. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger, and I'm sure by the size of the box you can kind of see what it is. It is a pair of shoes, and it's a pair of shoes that are very popular and that you've seen probably a lot on Instagram and YouTube already. So it does come with dust bags, or just one dust bag for the shoes. And this is what I got. It does come with extra laces. And what I got are the Dior sneakers. I got the Dior oblique sneakers in the white with the monogram. I know right now there's also the black version of it, and I think in Asia they also got an all white version of these sneakers. But I really liked these on in the way that they look. I really like the see-through of the oblique print. The white is just like a great color and goes with everything. And high tops are one of my favorite types of shoes that I wear. So I thought these were really cool. I've been seeing them all over Instagram, and so when I tried them on in the store, they actually had my size. I wanted to pick them up before it was too late, because I know before it was a little harder to get certain sizes, and so it was perfect timing to get the shoes while I was in the store to get my bag. So yeah, the shoes are really straightforward. I did get a size 41, which is my true to size in European sizing. I'm usually about an 8.5 US, and so 41 usually fits me pretty well. But yeah, I really like these shoes, and hope to style these really well, and you'll be able to see it on Instagram soon as well. Well, that's it for today's unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the two pieces, and if you have any questions about any of the pieces, feel free to let me know. I do hope to style them more on Instagram, so you'll be able to see them there. I'm excited to wear the shoes and wear the bag more often, especially during the summertime. I think these pieces will look good with some summer outfits. So if you are interested to see how I style them, please follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my handle again here. And please don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And again, like I said, please give this a thumbs up and leave a comment down below about any kind of videos that you'd like to see from me. If you have any questions, we'd love to interact with you guys and start building our YouTube family. Thanks guys, see you next time.